Welcome back in this video. We will install the Sublime package control. Okay, so what is the Sublime package control? Okay, Sublime package control is a package manager for Sublime plugins. Okay, and Sublime package control is help us to install the plugin, update the plugin and remove the plugin. Okay, so first of all we need to install Sublime package control. Okay, so open your browser and go to google.com and here type Sublime package control. Okay, now click on the first link. Okay, here you can see packagecontrol.io. okay, so click on this link. Okay, and now click on the installation. Okay, here you can see installation. Okay, so click on the installation. Okay, and here we have two options. Okay, Sublime Text 3 and Sublime Text 2. Okay, so if you have installed the Sublime Text 3, then click on the Sublime Text 3 tab. Okay, if you have installed the Sublime Text 2 version, then click on this tab. Okay, so I have already installed the Sublime Text 3. Okay, so copy this code. Okay, copy this code, copy, and now go to Sublime text editor. Okay, now click on the view. Okay, go to view and now here click on the show console. Click on show console. Okay, and here paste your code. Okay, and now hit the enter key from the keyboard. Okay, and just wait a few seconds. Okay, so now here you can see it's loading now. Okay, so this means the Sublime package control is now installing. Okay, so just wait and it's depend on your internet connection speed. Okay, so just wait a few seconds or a few minutes. Okay, yeah, Sublime package control is installing now. Okay, so my Sublime package control is installed. Okay, so let's click on preferences. Okay, and here you can see here we have the package control option. Okay, so that's mean the Sublime package control is installed successfully. Okay, so enough for this video and see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.